striker's ball. Played wide. Really well played. Oh, he has a go. He really should be hitting the target. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. What a well-timed tackle. Is this a goal? And that is a fantastic goal. So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and I'll be happy to get more. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Here's Anderson. Oh, well timed. Shoots! Not the best effort there. Let's see that one again. And he's won it back for his team. Played in field. It's with the striker. Well intercepted. Throw in here. Played into the box. Lovely passing here. The team swap possession again. Is this the moment? He's got a good hand behind that. And the referee has indicated a corner. Let's see that one again. What can they conjure up from this set piece? Gets the header in! Oh, good catch by the keeper. He's knocked it long. Oh, a very badly timed challenge. Can they make it count? Lovely skill there, simply a brilliant goal. Oh, unstoppable shot there. Goalkeeper no chance as he smashes the free kick into the back of the net. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. That could be a really important goal in this football match. Who knows? Here's Anderson. Nice work there. Played in field. Well intercepted. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work.
I win, you lose. It's only for us two. I win.
Well, they'll want to hang on to this lead and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half, and he's won it back for his team. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get them. Played into the box. Oh, he steps up to steal them. The keeper's blocked that one. Is this a goal? That was a real chance. They're unlucky not to score. Let's take another look at that. Intercepted. Lucas in possession. That's a bit sacked already. It's going to be a free kick. Well, he's certainly made the goalkeeper work. He's unlucky not to score, and that's gone out for a corner. It's a tactical change here then. Heads towards goal. Defender regains possession, and try and break. Sends it forward. Lucas in possession. He's found an opening. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Let's see that one again. Striker's ball. Can anyone get on to the end of this one? Great understanding between this team. Sends it forward. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Played back to the goalkeeper. That one has gone out of play. This is Kane. He should have been on target. Let's take another look at that. They're well ahead now, and this should be the win for them. Well intercepted. Oh, determined challenge there. He really got behind that. They have the ball again. Captain on the ball. The shot's on. Good interception. And he's won it back for his team. He's knocked it long. Striker's ball. Comfortable 2-0 victory here. The manager will be pleased with results like this.
I remember days when we were all alone. If you